All right, we have a growth model here, and it tells us that A equals 940.6 times e to the power of 0.02t, okay, t being the time since you start, and a being the accumulated population in this case. And they want to know, when will the population of the country be 1,082 million? Okay, so this number 940.6, this is in millions. And t, in this case, is the number of years after 2003. So they're giving us the accumulated population. Okay, they're giving us A. A is 1082. So I'm going to plug that in. 1082. And that equals all this stuff over here. All right, and now you see what we need to solve for. We need to solve for the t, the number of years after 2003. And it is up here. So we want to get this grumpy old t all by herself. We want to start getting rid of everything else. First thing we're going to get rid of is this 940.6. It is multiplied times e to the 0.02t. So to get rid of multiplication, we will divide. So I will divide the right side by 940.6. So these will cancel out. And I also must divide the left side by 940.6. All right, let's see what we have now. We have, on the left, I have 1082. 1082 divided by 940.6. And on the right, I have e to the power of 0.02t. Okay, now remember that e is, we call that the natural base. It's also, for bonus points, it's called Euler's number. Euler, E-U-L-E-R. And to get rid of the natural base, we're going to use the natural log. Okay, there's a property that says the natural log of e to the power of x equals x. So if I can take the natural log of this side, that 0.02t is going to come down to earth. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, we have a property that tells you that you can take the natural log of both sides of the equation. It says that if the left side is exactly equal to the right side, then the natural log of the left side is exactly equal to the natural log of the right side. All right, here's what we have now. We now have the natural log of 1082 over 940.6. And on the right-hand side, this part just comes down to earth, and it becomes 0.02t. Okay, now I am one step away from getting that t all by itself, and since it is 0.2 times t, I'm going to divide by 0.02. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to divide by 0.02. And now I have what t equals. Okay, t equals this thing. All right, so get your calculator ready. All right, first thing I'm going to do is divide 1082 divided by 940.6. 1082 divided by 940.6. And I'm going to get 1.150329577. And now I want to take the natural log of this number. If it's still in your calculator, you can hit natural log and then put in the previous answer. The way you're going to do that, you're going to hit natural log, and then you're going to hit second, and then ANS. Okay, that'll take the natural log of your previously stored answer, And if not, you can just type that number in. Natural log of 1.150329577, and I'm going to get 0.14004849. And now let's take that number and we're going to divide it by 0.02, and we will get 7.00242449.5. Okay. Now, since T is the number of years after 2003, we're going to take our 2003 and we're going to add this number. Okay, so plus 7.0024. They're going to want us to round to the nearest year. So let me just add 7 and we will get 2010. All right, that's going to be our answer. Right, and does that make sense? We're talking about a population. We're going from 940.6 million and we want to get to 1082 million, and it's going to take 7 years. Sure, I'll believe that. No reason to throw that away.